Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest film interviews, features, and recommendations on the movies that matter.
Hi, this is Shraddha Tripathi Sharma, and I will be talking about 5 roles that have really helped me shape my career and my choices. When I got Haramkhor and when I read the script and I was trying to understand Sandhya, it was an internal fight because I didn't relate to her. I didn't understand the choices she was making and why she was making them. For me, there were red flags everywhere. That no, how can you do that? And that was one of the biggest learning experiences as an actor, that you don't have to agree with your character. The choices your character is making is because of the situations your character has been in. So Sandhya, who has not got any validation, has not got any love from people around and people who matter, which is why that thing is lacking in her life, which is why she latches on to literally like a leech, that if she is getting that attention and affection from her teacher. So she's not seeing that he's married or there is a wife who's involved, and maybe just the age difference as well. So more than anything, it is that craving that gets her into, or leads her to have that bite of the apple which is forbidden. It's later I realized that the characters that you play, they take a psychological toll on you, because the life that they are leading and the situations that they've been a part of are very different from, thankfully, are very different from the kind of life I've had. I want to have a simple life. All the drama and the layers and the complexities that are there in all my characters, I don't want them in my life. I think that's very important to have a clear distinction that this is who I am and these are who my characters are. So and I used to live alone that time. I came back home, and it was so weird, when I used to sleep on my left side, I used to dream about the 2 boys in the film. And when I used to sleep on my right side, I somehow saw Shyam sir, the character which was played by Nawaz Bhai, him come. And it was just, I think, while filming, I didn't realize it, but just the soul of a 14, 15-year-old, where there are people who are using you. And yes, physical abuse is there, but also I think what is even more important is the mental trauma that you go through. When I read the script, Shlok very sweetly, he told me ki Shraddha, acha isme na there is a kiss. And I was like, okay, if the script demands it, then I will do it, because I know I'm not comfortable doing intimate scenes, but as a when you're an actor, you have to go beyond your limitations, your restrictions, your comfort zone. You have to take that step forward if the script demands it. So I was ready, but I was very nervous while we were shooting those scenes. Before that, I was just quiet, and it was a limited crew, and that memory is so fresh in my head. And Nawaz Bhai was sleeping in the car. He was chilling. So then we went and we discussed the scene. So the scene started, and Siddharth Diwan, who's a DOP, and the entire crew, they were really far, far away. Now, in the script, it said that Shyam kisses Sandhya. Now, because the camera was so far away, Nawaz Bhai knew that it won't register what he's doing, if he's kissing, not kissing. I had no clue. That was my first film that I was doing. And I still remember that while filming that scene, he did everything that was required according to the lens. In fact, while that scene was going on, even though the script said there is a kiss, he did not kiss me because it was not required. And that day, my confidence as not only an actor, as a human being, it went up, because I understood that ये जो कहता है ना कि character में बह जाता है, no. You can be in character, but it is the actor and then the character. And then even when the camera moved closer, so I wanted to yell and tell them that, oh my God, this was just done so beautifully and emotionally. It gave me the drive to perform, to emote. So it didn't take anything away from the scene. In fact, it only added. And even when the camera came closer, the camera was in such a way that, again, the kiss was not registered and it didn't happen. So that's when I realized that it's very important to trust your co-actor and to have that respect. And I remember I went to his room at night and I just said thank you to him, because I realized that as an actor, there is so much of responsibility that you have even towards your co-actor. There are few memories that I have of Masan. One is the narration that I had with Neeraj when the cast was very different from the cast that shot the film. So I remember hearing the narration, and I remember especially when Deepak and Shalu ki story was being told, I had a smile on my face. And even later when I was reading the script, what I love about Neeraj and Varun is the simplicity. There are there are layers, but they are not. It's not overwhelming. You don't have to. You don't feel overburdened or over pressurized to perform or do certain things. In fact, Varun, the way he writes is so beautiful that even if you're just saying the lines, your job will be done. And in fact, Pankaj Tripathi said in I think one of his interviews that बहुत बार अच्छी writing का credit अच्छी acting को मिल जाता है. And that is so true. And I feel I've been blessed to that I've worked with great writers and directors. So I get the tag of I don't know, intelligent actors and the choices I'm making, but I think I'm just working with the right kind of people, and that's why my quality is also being maintained, and I am raising the bar thanks to those guys. So when Masan came, I remember that first narration, which was very special. And when I read the script, I just knew that I have to be a part of it. Again, it was an emotional response to it. Shalu's upbringing, in the sense that what she believes in, her moral compass is very similar to mine. My dad, while we were growing up, we were two sisters, my sister and I. And वो हमेशा ये था कि it didn't matter कि society में वो कहाँ belong करता है, what his status is, or what is the religion, or matlab the physicalities. None of that was important. What was important was education. My dad's an IS officer, mom's a teacher, both retired now. And for them, education was the most important thing. They never asked me, and I knew that even they knew about all my relationships. And कभी भी ये नहीं था कि लड़के की family क्या करती है. It was about कि लड़का क्या करता है and क्या करना चाहता है. And I think that just came in Shalu, which is when she's talking to Deepak. Again, she doesn't care about where he lives. What is important to her is who he wants to be. The most important thing was to understand the emotional journey. And that goes for any character, be it Cargo, where they're set, it's set in space, or be it Mirzapur, which is in a land far away, or be it Masan. So it's very important to understand what the character wants and why they want it. In fact, one of those cafe scenes which became so popular, I still remember Vicky and I, we were focusing on our performance. In fact, Vicky का जब shot चल रहा था तो I said कि नीरज please एक मेरा ले सकते हैं. So that way, yes, we were very supporting, but we were also very selfish in the sense because we wanted our performance to be good, because we knew that this might be our debut film. So I think if the writing is good and if you understand the character, then it's not that difficult. Because especially that cafe scene, हमें पता ही नहीं था, हम तो coffee पी के आ गए थे, and when people said, and when Neeraj said that scene is being appreciated, we were like, huh? Really? Oh wow. So I think it's a lot about energy, it's a lot about the vibe. And again, if you I think as an actor, more important than any award for me, it is that did I do justice to how the writer and director wanted that character to be. Mirzapur, I had tested for it. In fact, Mirzapur is one of those few projects I tested for and got it, because be it Masan, Gonkesh, Haramkhor, Raat Akeli Hai, Mehndi Circus, Cargo, all these scripts came to me. Most of them were written for me, or they directly came to me. Whenever I audition for anything, for some reason I don't get it. But Mirzapur is one of the biggest things, and it's one of the closest projects to my heart. I got it, and I was not the first choice. And I just thank my stars that thank God I got it, because Golu had to be me. Golu couldn't be. I'm very possessive about her. She's the most complex character I've played, and this might sound crazy, but when I was trying to understand her, I felt that she's so difficult, because there was resistance that I felt. And for season 1 was a cakewalk, because season 1 was all happy and shairi and kitabe and falling in love. But season 2, everything changed. Also, something that I realized about series is what is really difficult. I think Tony Scott had said this, that films are like marathons and commercials are like sprints. So I think that way series are like marathons and features are like sprints. So when you're doing a series, now Mirzapur we shot a year and a half back. अब उसमें मैंने अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज क्या रखी, किस तरीके से बोला, मिर्जापुर बोला या मिर्जापुर बोला. I had to go back and study myself. Generally, you study other characters and you read books and take inspiration and motivation from any and every place possible. But here, I had to study my own self, and I was abusing myself also. कि अरे श्रद्धा, ये क्या किया है, क्यों किया है? Because now I had to carry that and build on that. But season 2, Golu 2.0 is a different beast, because the two people that you love the most in the world, one is your sister who was pregnant, and the other is your best friend who you're also in love with, and that relationship would have flourished and there was growth that had to be done together. And वो कहते हैं ना, छीन लिया गया, इन कैरेक्टर्स को छीन लिया गया, ऐसा नहीं कि उनकी नेचुरल डेथ हो चुकी है. So there was so much angst, there was so much love, loss and anger that I had to take all of that, and it's a furthest away from my life. I don't know the land of Mirzapur. I don't know that much the feeling of revenge, and I don't even want to know. So it was a very, very, very difficult journey, but so satisfying. I love it. Golu has a scar in this, which he gets in the last episode of season 1 in the 9th episode. So when you're wearing that costume, you're saying those dialogues. You are, even if for a minority, if for a lesser period of time, but you are being that character. When you're feeling those emotions, when you're handling guns and money and making plans of kisko kahan pe kya karna hai, it does take a toll on you, because those words are coming out of your mouth, even if those words, they don't belong to you, but aap keh rahe ho. Even the body language. So you are, even for a few minutes, but you are that character. So, and in season 2, so matlab, there was literally no reason to smile. In fact, even while shooting, I was like, Golu ki to koi dosti nahi hai. Also, your priorities of your character changes. In season 1, she wanted to bring about change. She didn't believe in violence, and it was all about cleaning up the system and society, which is very close to how I think. That apna suno, agar pyar mile dusron se, very good, but I'm not going to change my opinion just to please others. So season 1 Golu was very different, and season 2, the kind of things that she believes in, also the kind of, again, situations, it was dirty, it was murky, and रोज वो बातें करना, and बाहुबली की दुनिया में खोना, and literally it was she's the only girl in that world where she's trying to stand up, make her mark, but she still doesn't know if this is what she wants to do. So I think there were a lot of conflicting opinions, that ye karke bhi, is this making her happy, or because she's giving in to things that she didn't believe in. So it was too complex. Also, the people that you loved, you've lost, and now there is this person, Guddu, who is crazy and who is childlike, but he's your biggest support. Gonkesh came to me when I read the synopsis. I loved it. Also, I think I'm drawn towards simplicity. So, because if there is enough that is said in simple words, I think the more people understand the story, the better it is. Because yes, we're making the project and we are telling the story for us, but it's also for the audience. So, अगर इतना कुछ कमाल बना दिया जो सिर्फ हमें समझ में आया और audience को समझ में नहीं आया, I think that defeats the purpose. I met the director, I got the narration, I read it, and again, not only just Meenakshi, it is Jeetu's character and the parents and the best friend. Everybody plays such an important part of that world, and every film teaches me a lot, every project. And during Gonkesh, I realized that, so I had no clue about this condition. And वही होता है कि we think it's a big deal when it happens to us. And then I got to know there were so many people around me who were facing this condition, even on set. And that's when you realize that there is a lot going on in people's life. We judge and we dismiss things and people too easily, emotions too easily. I think it's high time we become sensitive towards each other as a society, as a country, as the entire world. So I started following people who were suffering from the same condition. I would not like to call it a disease, because it is a condition. And I remember that scene कि जब वो उठती है और उसके पिलो पे उसके बाल हैं, it really broke my heart. And whenever I'm acting, I don't like to khrodo my own wounds because our journeys are very different. In Nakshi, जो वो बाल जब आपके लूज होते हैं, and when the society, again, the whole concept of beauty is fair and tall and having a certain type of figure, or long hair for that matter, I love breaking those stereotypes. And in fact, a lot of, when Gonkesh came out also, a lot of people asked me, journalists asked me कि आपने इतना ऐसा bold कैसे कर लिया, या फिर आपको डर नहीं लगा? And literally the poster was behind me and I turned back and I'm like, I think I'm looking very cute. I really, it's important for me to look like the character. अब वो character चाहे सुंदर हो या जैसा भी tomboy दिखता हो, I need to do justice to that. And in fact, these things excite me. That a film is set in space, that excites me. If I'm bald for a character, that excites me. In fact, I was ready to shave my head off. So I had auditioned for Dangal as well. And उसमें ये था कि बोला गया था, when we went to the other rounds of the shortlist, they asked that if we'll be fine shaving a head off. And I'm like, yeah, come on, let's do this. Because I want to achieve a lot of things through my character, which I know I won't do in my real life. So with Gonkesh also, the learning was, it was so beautiful. And I think with every character that I play, I become a better person. We knew there are other films which are coming around the same topic. We knew that there are films which will be coming out the same year, which was about hair loss. But I never had a doubt in my head because I knew why I am doing the film. And as long as we were coming before, even though I was very sure that a film with Ayushmann people would watch that, it would draw more audience than my film. But I was very secure because I knew that it came from a different place. It's a different story. And just because it's the same topic doesn't mean that it has to be similar in other ways as well. So I was never worried. And I think that is also thanks to the age and experience that I've had. I don't worry about things that are not in my control. Had I worried about, but there is literally nothing I could do. In fact, we were shooting for Mirzapur when Bala was shooting and we were staying in the same hotel. But तब भी ये था कि तुम भी try करो, हम भी try करते हैं. And it's not a competition that way because you can't even compare the budgets. कि वो जिस type के budget जो बाला के या उजड़ा चमन के होंगे, they're very different from जो Gonkesh के होंगे. So I like to focus on things which I have some sort of control over. And when I was playing Inakshi, and वो part था कि ये सिर्फ भगवान मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं, I thought that I am Inakshi and this girl जिसके लिए बचपन से उसके पढ़ाई में वो अच्छी है, सब कुछ दोस्त भी अच्छे हैं, but एक जो bullying होती है, जो class में होती है, जो and again these conditions which you are made to believe, these parameters which the society forces on you, and वो कहीं ना कहीं आप मानते हो कि ये सब चीजें जरूरी हैं. And when you see that hair fall and your parents also struggling, also that made me realize, Gonkesh made me realize that even though one person is suffering, the journey is the entire families. It's all the people who care and who love you. They are, yes, you are the one who's suffering, but they are there for you and they are going through this journey. They are also letting go of their dreams and aspirations so that you get to do what you want to do. So when I cried like Inakshi कि मेरे जो ये बाल हैं ये क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ, and when you can literally touch your scalp में यहाँ पे ये missing है. So I like to think like the character. Lakhon Mein Ek season 2, I was mostly not doing it because the dates were clashing with another Prime Video ka original series which had more money, which had more comfort, which had bigger names. So I was very confused that, should I go with an Amazon exclusive, which definitely would put me, I would be the poster face for it, which was always very exciting, or choose this bigger, more commercial series. And I was very confused. And I wanted to do that bigger series. But the part in that bigger series was not exciting me. And again, वही था कि एक तो printed कुर्ते से I am really tired because no matter what character I play, कितनी भी layers डाल दो, वो पहनती वही printed कुर्ते है. So for me, the look of a character is also very important. So then when Lakhon Mein Ek season 2 was, I almost said that I like the script and everything, but I won't be able to do it. Then Kriti, who used to be an OMR there, she said that just meet Biswa and the director once. And I was like, okay, great, I'm going to Chennai tomorrow. So abhi I have like half an hour, let's meet. And I met them. And when I went into the meeting, it was a no. And when I walked out, I just knew I have to do this. And it was meeting the director, who's Abhishek Sengupta. I had not seen season one. And in fact, I saw season one while filming for two. And I realized that, oh my God, these kids have killed it. They are so good. So if anything at all, I have to do justice to Lakhon Mein Ek. Ki I can't take this lightly because the bar is set really, really high. And Lakhon Mein Ek season two is one of my favorite performances. I think Mirzapur season 2 and Lakhon Mein Ek season 2, those are my personal favorites. Also, the journey that I've had as an actor, there was so much to learn. Also, for the first time in Lakhon Mein Ek, I had a profession to play. Usse pehle, I was always in school and college. So that responsibility of a profession was not there. And I know that for a fact, मुझे problem होती है कि अगर मैं किसी को देखती हूँ and I feel like ऐसे थोड़ा होता है या फिर badge ऐसा नहीं होता है, कपड़े ऐसे नहीं होता है. So लाखों में एक, I wanted to make sure that when doctors watch or medical students, when they are watching, they should feel I am one of them. It should not be कि ऐसे थोड़ा होता है, ये liberty ले ली, ये तो फिल्मी कर दिया, वो कर दिया. So everything from the dark circles to the freckles to the tan lines, I really, really enjoyed shooting for Lakhon Mein Ek. And I remember messaging my friends at Amazon while we were shooting that this is going to be something special. I had a very, very, very strong feeling about it. With every project of mine, with every character of mine, I want to push the boundaries. I want to get out of my comfort zone. And I want people to come out of their comfort zone even while they're watching it. I wanted to be a lawyer. I wanted to be a lawyer when I was way younger because I wanted to bring about a change in and to the society. And I thought I will give voice to people who don't have that power and who don't have that strength or money or whatever it is that takes to make yourself heard. So when I became an actor, I realized that I can still do that. So be it Made in Heaven ka wo ek episode, or be it Tripling mein falling in love with somebody who's way older, I always literally, I want to keep breaking the stereotypes because people are lazy in their imagination. People just want to put you in boxes and you have to reinvent yourself. And I think when I play such characters, they make me happy. And also, again, when I'm playing those characters, I don't realize the impact they will have. But Made in Heaven, I never thought that one episode, there are people who still thank me and congratulate me. And that is very important. As an artist, I think we are responsible for the kind of stories we are putting out there. So it always matters to me what are my characters doing. They might be inspired from real life or they could be totally fictional characters. But I think their voices are very, very, very important. And I would always want to make people think and make people feel with everything that I do.